Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really exciting for all Unity creators. With the Unity 6.3 beta, Shader Graph now supports terrain shaders, a feature that artists and designers have been requesting for years. Even though it's in beta, this update already shows how it can completely change the way we design, render, and optimize terrains, all without writing a single line of code. From stunning visuals to massive performance boosts, let's dive in and see how it all works. Since Unity 6.3 is still in beta, the first step is to install it from the Unity Hub beta channel. Launch Unity 6.3 beta, select New Project, pick a template and folder, give it a name, confirm settings, and press Create to start your project. Create a new folder and name it Shader Graph. Inside that folder, add a URP TerrainLit Shader Graph and rename it to Terrain Sample. Double-click to open the Shader Graph editor. Now press the spacebar to bring up the search window. Type terrain, and you'll see several terrain texture nodes. You can experiment with them and pick the one that works best for your material. Open the window menu and choose Package Manager. In the Package Manager, switch to the In Project tab and select Shader Graph. Next, go to the Sample tab, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see Terrain Shaders. Click Import, and the import process will begin. Once the samples are imported, let's get started by opening the sample scene. Go to Assets, Samples, Shader Graph, Terrain Shaders, Scenes, and open either Terrain URP or Terrain HDRP, depending on which pipeline you're using. Inside these samples, you'll find 18 example terrain shaders. These include Parallax mapping, detail mapping, and more. You may also see abbreviations like CHNOS, CNM, and CSNOH. These indicate the texture packing type. For example, CNM stands for color, normal, and masks. CSNOH is a two-texture scheme, where the first texture contains color and smoothness, while the second holds normal, occlusion, and height. For more details, you can check out the official Shader Graph documentation. I've added the link in the video description.